Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Okay, so here is my Bling XT2 camera. The battery's dead. I've been ignoring it for a while. Now it's completely dead. So I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the battery. So it's mounted to the wall. All you gotta do is just pop it off. Don't be afraid. So this particular camera is in a high traffic area. It's in the garage where our car is. So I'm gonna show you how to replace your battery. It's very easy. Okay guys, so I did get the batteries. It's the ultimate lithium batteries. I don't know why I have to use that one, but that's the one they say I have to get, so I got that one. And then this is the camera. It's very easy to open, to put the thing in. If you look at the back, you'll see this little thing right here. Just kind of hold it down. Let me see, how am I gonna do that? Just hold it down and pull, and then boom. Then you just remove the batteries. See, that's the battery you have to have. And these are very expensive. I don't know why I have to use these, but hey. And you just replace them with this one. It's very easy. And then you're gonna close this back. How I know it's the right way? Well, see, upwards. You just put it in and snap, 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 and you're done. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace this and show you how easy it is. All right, so here's the mount. It's kind of on a swivel. So what I do, I go ahead and you just pop it on, see? And you're good to go, and you can position it however you want it. I position it on the cars. See, you're good to go. It's that easy.